Hey there, sports card fans. We've got another mega box of Flux from 22-23. Looking for Holmgren. Looking for Banchero. I think we got four rookies last time. So that was nice. Okay. 6 packs.
Did you show them the packaging?
Oh, well, they saw it last time. You know, there's a lot of empty space. 6 packs, 6 cards per pack. I remember when mega boxes were completely full with packs. I remember when blaster boxes were completely full with packs. Like 2007, 2008 tops, Durant's rookie year. I think it was 20 packs plus 2 bonus packs. Now it's like 5 packs. If that. Okay. I don't remember who went first last time, so I'll go. Julius Randle. Oops.
Sorry.
Josh Hart. Nicholas Claxton. A rookie, Kennedy Chandler. Another Julius Randle, Prism. And Rudy Gobert, Fluctuations insert. I wonder if that's exclusive to the Megas because we didn't get any in the blasters. Okay, thank you. Pack 2.
Ah, my boy.
Yep.
Donovan Mitchell, 70-point game.
Was it 70 or 71?
I don't know. DeJounte Murray.
Oh.
Devin Booker. Used to be Kevin, and Chris Paul.
Yep.
TJ Warren.
Malachi
Branham.
I've never heard of him either, but that's a rookie parallel. And another Fluctuations. See it?
Oh, Zach Levine.
Yep. Okay. So 2 rookies already. That's nice.
Yeah. That's 2 more than the regular Flux.
Yeah. I think probably because the parallels were guaranteed in the other ones too. But I don't know. Okay. Bogdanovich. Marvin Bagley III. Obi Toppin. Marcus Morris Sr. Josh Hart Prism. And Chris Paul Prism. Okay. No rookies in that one. Oh well. Pack 3. Oh, we're a little blurry. That's alright. Excuse me.
Evan Mobley.
Mm-hmm.
Bruce Brown. Reggie Bullock. Jeremy Grant. Cam Reddish.
Prism. Oh, freshman year insert.
Andrew Nembhard.
Hard. Oh, there is a B. I think the B is silent, though. Nemhard, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Pack number 5. Cam Johnson. Jacob Poltel, however you say that. Devontae Graham. Rookie, AJ Green. Oh, Donovan Mitchell Prism. Cracked ice. Nice. And another Prism, Najee Marshall. So we got another rookie. So maybe there'll be another rookie in there. Be nice if we get... Oh, we're blurry again. Be nice if we got a freaking Chet Holmgren or something. Okay.
R.J. Barrett.
Dwight sorry, you're supposed to say all of
Dwight
them.
Powell. Domantas Sabonis. Jonas Valanciunas.
Valanciunas. No, only 3 rookies this time.
Matisse Thybulle.
Prism. And another one of these fluctuations. Hey, look who it is.
Tyrese Halliburton.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, so 3 rookies, 4 inserts, I think. Yep. And a bunch of parallels. All right, well, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.